Good morning. So I'm going to the Ximen station because we have a tour today. We're going to the North Coast, so we're going to Yehliu Geopark and yeah, Ximen and Jufen. So yeah, it's around 7:40 a.m. and it's really cold. So yeah, see you at the Ximen station. Good morning, Taiwan. It's really cold, gosh. I haven't had my breakfast, so I still have around 30 minutes to go around. I mean, to get breakfast. So yeah. And this is the famous Rainbow Street, but I won't be taking photo there. So so cold. Good morning, guys. So we're going to exit 5. Mas okay ngayon mag-vlog. Hindi masyadong haggard girl. So exit 5. Here in exit 5. Okay. This is the exit to Ximen Station 5 where we are meeting with our tour. So just find Ximen Station 5. And here's our tour guide. So this is the landmark of Ximen Station 5. So just right across Ximen Station 6 exit. So across the road is the Ximen Station 6 exit. So I booked this tour via Klook and chose the one with Ximending as the meetup point since my hotel is nearby. It will save me both time and train fare, plus I avoided the hassle of navigating Taipei main station, which can be pretty overwhelming if you're not really familiar with it. So yeah, here inside the bus.
cities of 23 million population.
Surprise! Surprise! Early. Later, when is our meetup time?
10:30.
Ah, very good. So if you come back here before 10:15, I suggest you can go inside via center. 11 side there are many seats. You can take some rest.
Cute. So we're heading to the Yehliu Geopark. So cold. So freaking cold. We're going inside. It's so cold. It feels so unusual doing a tour and you're just alone. But all good. Ganina kay wala na ko'y ticket pasulod sa Yehliu Geopark and then wala ako naminaw sa tour guide. So, cause of delay, but yeah. Sorry. So, we're here. So nice. When you're just by yourself and you just take your own video, your own photo, it's so cool. So the tour guide said in 5 years the Queen's Head will be broken. So we're here. I met I met a couple. Their name is Lance and Ruth, and they volunteered to take a picture of me. And it's so nice. They were helping me because maybe they saw that I was struggling. So yeah, I was just really happy. So I'm saying it here so that I won't forget their name. That I met this two beautiful couple. So yeah, that's it. I'm heading back to the bus.